So I'm David Fischer. I'm from Michigan Sugar Company. I am currently a corporate safety manager, but transitioning from a reliability engineer. So corporate safety manager is going to go site to site to help establish all of our safety concerns, trainings. This will also get into the asset side as far as equipment life and maintenance plans to try to get a safer, quicker, more planned role going at our maintenance. Yeah, so I met Mark Shelby probably 2 years ago. He came on site to talk about some of the different things that they had available. Right away, we enrolled with HECO for our periodic vibration inspections. We've been doing that for about 1.5 years, I would say. Huge success. We have found many of things before it was too big of an issue. We've been battling an electrical fluting issue in one of our newer processes. Brought HECO in, they pointed it out right away. We were able to get on top of it before it became a bigger problem through the whole building. You know, in the industry, we all can see a problem, and all the industries see the same problem. HECO tends to bring everyone in around to kind of go after different views at the problem till we can come to a common solution. You know, we have UE and thermal, and you know, when you get to an event like this, you're opening your eyes to many different ways that you can touch base on that problem. I think I would go back to our findings with our electrical fluting. This was something that the whole building is ran, every pump in there is ran off of VFD, so it has many harmonics in the atmosphere. And walking in the building, you could tell that something was wrong, but I couldn't pinpoint it. And brought HECO in, I mean, it was a matter of minutes, and they could see right away that it was fluting, and we then could build our plan on going after this. We had ideas, they had ideas, we ended up coming together and installing a couple of the applications that HECO was familiar with, and has greatly benefited us and has saved a couple of our motors. Yeah, so I think the opening speaker today talked about it and kind of hit the nail on the head. You know, there's an investment on reliability. And there's some really cool tools out there, but until you see this tool actually in work, you can't really see if it's worth it or not. But when you have a vibration round like HECO does, or a thermal round like they do, and you're finding these big problems that are ready to rear their ugly head, it is the ROI is just irrelevant. I mean, it's your respect at that point. I think the biggest thing that stands out to me is when you have essentially a partner or a contractor and you're exchanging services, it's one thing, but you actually kind of build a friendship with them. And when they come on site and they ask how my son's doing, that really hits home with you. And when you can put trust in somebody and work together to come into a solution, for me, that means their world. It's just not just a job. Then it's more of a task, and your team goes after it, and they really become a part of the team.